Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love classic cars with a touch of modern soul, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into a full review of a timeless beauty, the 1950 Mercedes Ponton, refreshed for 2025. With a stunning silver finish that absolutely turns heads, this car bridges the old-world charm with new-age finesse. Let's not waste any time and get right into it. From the very first glance, the 1950 Mercedes Ponton in this 2025 edition stands out with its clean, iconic lines. The silver color perfectly complements the Ponton's round, classic bodywork, highlighting every curve with elegance. You'll notice the signature Mercedes grille at the front, framed by beautifully restored chrome work that glistens under the sunlight. The rounded fenders and subtle tail fins take you right back to the 1950s, but somehow feel perfectly at home in today's streets. Mercedes stayed true to the car's original proportions while giving it slight refinements like LED headlights tucked inside vintage-style housings and modern 16-inch retro-styled wheels. It's a beautiful mix of nostalgia and modernization, an absolute masterpiece on wheels. Step inside, and you're instantly transported to another era. The cabin is a true work of art. Authentic-looking materials like hand-stitched leather seats and polished wood trim surround you, yet the hidden tech is undeniable. The steering wheel keeps the massive, thin-rimmed design, but now incorporates discrete controls for audio and navigation. There's a small but sharp digital display cleverly built into the original dash layout, offering all the modern essentials without breaking the vintage vibe. Comfort-wise, Mercedes added modern touches like climate control, wireless phone charging, and a hidden premium sound system. It feels like riding in a luxurious time capsule, old-school soul, new-world comfort. Under the hood, the 2025 Ponton isn't just about looks. It's powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing a smooth 190 horsepower, plenty to cruise with grace. Paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission, it delivers a drive that's both relaxed and surprisingly responsive. It's not a racer by any means, but it's perfect for those who want a refined and nostalgic driving experience. The suspension has been completely modernized too, soaking up bumps effortlessly and giving it a ride that feels stately and composed. Fuel economy sits at a respectable 30 miles per gallon, making it not just a stylish choice but a practical one for classic car enthusiasts who actually want to drive their cars, not just collect them. Now, if you're thinking about getting one of these beauties, be ready to invest. The base price for a 2025 Mercedes Ponton starts at around $145,000. However, with custom options like special interior trims, upgraded audio, and limited paint choices, you could easily see that price climb closer to $180,000. It's a premium price, no doubt, but considering the craftsmanship, the modern enhancements, and the sheer exclusivity of owning a reborn classic, it's a piece of rolling art that's worth every penny for the right buyer. And there you have it, the 1950 Mercedes Ponton, reborn for 2025 in stunning silver. A car that captures the heart of classic motoring while giving you the comfort and reliability of modern engineering. Let me know in the comments what you think about this beauty. Would you love to see more classic modern blends like this? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another deep dive car review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.